day? Tell me about your day. Oh. Oh, bless you. Did you have fun with Mommy at the store? Yeah. What did we buy? Did we use Daddy's credit card and just go crazy shopping? That's what I thought. What else? It's been a big day for you. You had your big prune blowout this morning. We had our first outfit change of the day then. And then we just peed all over. We just peed all over again. Second outfit change. Doesn't even match, really. But you're having fun, aren't ya? Tell me. What else? Are you happy to be home? What else? Yeah. Are you excited? Are you excited? What are these crazy sounds you're doing? Okay, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.